So what OpenCode actually is? It's an app that allows you to communicate with various LLMs through your terminal. And it's very much similar to Gemini CLI, ChatGPT SH or KimiCode. And it's very easy to install. So you have multiple options in here. You can use it curl. I used npm, and this option must be run with sudo. So now I'm going to open my terminal so you can see how it works. So I'm just going to run OpenCode, and we are in. If you want to see additional options, type Ctrl P, and in here you can do all sorts of things. Let's switch model. I'm using these 4 free models because they are more than fine for all that I need. But if you want, you can select any of these. And if I type Ctrl A, you can see additional options. I'm going to open options once again. Among all of these options, I'm going to select switch theme. Let's see what we have. Well, of course, this is not an essential option, but it's fine when you can change environment in order to suit you better. Let's see what else we can do. Let's see with toggle appearance. Well, this option also changes color. I'm going to check it again, and we are back. And now, what sorts of commands you can run through this app? You can actually search the web for some information that you need. Yeah, here is my response, and now I'm interested into something from my own computer. $125 gigs. And now I'm going to try to make things more interesting. Check value of my laptop model on eBay. So first it must figure it out what kind of laptop I have, and then it's to query eBay in order to find the price range. So let's try it. Yeah, that's my laptop, Latitude 5400s, in between 125 and 170. Alright, but if I have processor i7 on my machine, this laptop would cost much more. And I'm going to ask. Yeah, I have i5. So guys, you can see that this app is really powerful. It allows artificial intelligence to help you with administration of your local system, but you can also gather information from the internet and all sorts of things. And now I'm going to ask one more thing. Well, yeah, according to this answer, it is very powerful. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Well, like, subscribe, and see ya!